Hello guys, welcome to One Net Study. So today our topic is features of 8051. So basically this is the block diagram of 8051 microcontroller, and this all things are inbuilt in a single chip of 8051 microcontroller. Since it's a microcontroller, so it has its own inbuilt memory, that is the ROM, 4 kilobytes of ROM and 128 bytes of RAM. And it has two timers, inbuilt timers, timer 1 and timer 0, which can also be used as a counter input. Now this is the serial port, RX and TX pins, which is known as the receiver and transmitter pins, which is used for serial communications. And it has 4 input ports, P0, P1, P2 and P3. And the bus control, and this part is your oscillator, and it has its inbuilt in a crystal oscillator, and these all are your external interrupts, and this is the interrupt control. The main part is the CPU. So basically this it has an 8-bit of CPU, and inside this RAM we have a part of this memory we have one more set of 21 special function registers, which we'll study in the later forthcoming videos. And the counters and timers are 16-bit. It has a powerful interrupt structure and Boolean processing capability. And it has this 4 input of this total. It has 32 input and output pins. Now let's see the memory organization of 8051. So this is the memory organization of 8051. Now I am telling you only about the internal part. It has also the facility to add the external memory. So first we'll learn about the internal memory. So it has been divided into two parts: program memory and the data memory. Program memory, which is your ROM, and it is of internal ROM, which is of 4 KB, and this address starts from 000H to 0FFH, and the RAM, which is of 128 bytes, and its address starts from 00H to 7FH. And apart from internal RAM, as I told, it has an special function registers part, which starts from 80H to FFH, and it consists of 21 special function registers, which we'll learn in later videos. And now let's see about the external memory organization. So basically 8051 allows us to add a total of 128 kilobytes of external memory, which includes 64 KB of external ROM and 64 KB of external RAM, and the address is same, 000H to FFFH. Similarly for RAM. Now this one important point is that the external ROM should only be used when internal ROM is inadequate to hold the code. And the EA enable bar, which I showed you in the previous page, it is used to access the external ROM or RAM when we are using it. Like if you give EA bar is equal to 0, that means you have interfaced the external ROM part with the 8051 microcontroller.